You start with a semicircle. So chain 4, and in the very bottom chain make 6 double crochets. So the chain 3 here is the first double crochet. So the chain 3 plus 5 double crochets, in all 6 double crochets. This will be the first round of semicircle. Chain 4, I'll make 2 more. 1 more, sorry. Now chain 2, turn, and in each space 2 DC. So the first one is the chain 2 plus 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochets in each chain space. So end of this round we'll have 12 double crochets. So semicircle of 12 double crochets. A detailed semicircle tutorial is on my channel if you wish to have a look. So this is a semicircle. And remember the center where we've made our first 6 double crochets. So we'll chain 9 now to make the eye socket. And in the center we'll join it with a double crochet. Another double crochet, then chain 9 for the next eye socket. So we joined it with a single crochet and turn your work, and we'll start with 3 single crochets in the chain 9. Sorry, chain 1 and then turn. Make 3 single crochets. Then 3 half double crochet. Just loosely make it. Now 3 double crochet. So 3 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, and 3 double crochet. Remember these 3 double crochet. We'll come back to it again. So we have these 9 stitches on the chain 9. we'll start the other side and making 3 double crochet. 2, 3. 3 half double crochet, 3 single crochets. We are done with the eye socket. You can see these 2 bumps here. To even it out, we'll make one more round of single crochet on the head part, the up top part, on the 24 chains that we had. So we'll make 2 single crochet in each of the stitch. End of this round, we'll have 24 single crochets. Once we are done making the 24 single crochets, we'll join it to the bump, the first single crochet in that bump with a slip stitch. This is the first single crochet we made on chain 9. Cut the extra string and our part 1 is finished. This is the upper part. Now we'll start making the teeth. For this, remember here 24 stitches, then 9 and 9. So we'll start in this first 9. Now you remember the 3 double crochets. So we'll start making it here. The 3 on either side. So the first double crochet we made, we'll join the yarn again. Pull the yarn. Chain 3, that is our first DC. Then DC in the next space. DC in the next space. So we'll have 3 DCs on this side, and then we go to the other side and make 3 more DC. Double crochets in the 3 double crochet. So we have 6 double crochets now. This is the jaw part. Turn your work, make a slip stitch in the first space, and then chain 2, DC in the next space, again DC in the next space, and in next space chain 2, and slip stitch in the next space. That's it. Pull the string, cut it, and weave the tail at the back. So the chain 2 on both sides gives it a small curve. That's the reason I made the chains. Merge it with the next chain, this tail. Weave it at the back. Tie it, and we are done.